Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called CoursePRO, which is an all-in-one e-learning platform which creates Udemy like profitable e-learning sites loaded with 1000 plus done for you ready to sell video courses in 50 plus hot niches in just 60 seconds. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.